Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Ooh. This was my kids' idea. My kids did this for the dad. So we don't want to show our faces, yeah? Bo comprendre ko bim se longité. Bi longité.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
And he doesn't want a party. Donc alinga na e fetite to bito sala emo ilo kwa boy kaka. Mo eto filmer ezata uti musala alembi. Donc kota razo kota na ndako ne.
This is your cake.
Bana baendele happy birthday.
Happy, it was your cake.
We forgot to buy candles. To bosa ni ko sema ba bougie. To bosa ni ko sema ba bougie. Can you imagine? To bosa ni ba bougie. Okay, guys. So we're gonna cut the cake now, yeah?
Yes.
Good.
Where's the money? No. Mommy, look.
Yeah, that's part of the birthday, isn't it? Happy cake, small cake. Look what you did to the cake, Jamila.
You was eating the cake.
Go bring that.
Let me get the knife so Daddy can cut the cake. Yeah?
Yeah. Daddy, you'll be in your birthday. It says happy birthday, James.
What does it say? Happy birthday, James. James Dr. Congo. Daddy.
Is that your name?